I guess we can start. I can open it if you guys want, or we can all.
Do we all need to be on the network or something like that?
Yeah, I have my terminal thing open right now.
Should we make
Screen
a
share.
Google Doc? So that
For like files and stuff.
Mhm.
Yeah, sure. I'll just start it. Well, it has 6 questions. Maybe.
You gotta start recording first and then just, yeah.
I think it should be recording. Yeah, it says recording on this computer.
Okay.
Hopefully it doesn't take an hour and a half. Create scheme flipped one. That file create a print greeting. All the members on your team on separate lines.
Didn't we do this?
Pretty much.
I mean,
what's it called? So right here. And I think put you guys' names on this as well, probably.
yeah.
Is it and then I guess Mac.
Yeah, either one. I don't care.
You guys, what are your emails? Or maybe it's easier to put in the chat.
On put H at the end of N.
Oh, my bad.
It's fine. I'll type in chat.
Okay, yeah, that's easier. Displays all team member names. Okay. But we need some functions, I guess. Print greeting. And then do you give it the arguments like this with another one? Or do you say like, oh wait, no parameters are necessary?
Do we need to make a function? It just says make a method that does it.
Function.
Yeah, I think we need to make, I think that's what it means. That displays all of it. And then you have to call it from main. So I think we need these. Do that and then
Okay. Let's see.
you just like do the display thing. Kind of weird with the parentheses. And my mic cord is under my keyboard. Sorry. Does that syntax look right to y'all? I think that's it for now arguments.
Yeah, that seems right.
Displays all members of your team.
Oh, what the hell, bro?
We can just do \n, right? Or do we need to do like the? Okay.
I think that should work.
Does this need to be in parentheses?
Yep, sorry about that. My roommate just came in.
I don't know if this is the right syntax. I guess we can see.
Mhm.
We can just, can't we just use like past labs? I was just gonna look.
I don't know if we can or can't, but if we can, that'd be.
It's open note, I'm pretty sure. So that
Yeah, I think
would mean, I'm assuming we can just use past labs.
I think he said anything on Canvas, so hopefully. I guess that's that.
I think the main function should be something like this. I sent it in chat.
Good. Yeah, I guess. Did I get the amount of parentheses here wrong?
1, 2, 3.
I see
missing-
when you.
Also, you're missing one for the one before the first display. You have one open, but you forgot to close it.
I see. It's kind of bad.
Actually, I don't think you need that. The one.
No, I think I
Yeah.
do. I think I do. I think you were right the first time. Guessing
Mhm.
yourself because I did it wrong. Okay, and then we can do main.
Print greeting.
Yeah, I wonder
Yeah.
maybe we don't need those full thing.
That's what I was saying. I didn't know if you just wanted us to like write out, display the names, and that's what I did on the last one. I just wrote the thing.
That's what I did for the last one. I think we're doing like functions now. Maybe I can get rid of these and we'll see.
I mean, you'd just be making more functions and then running those functions.
Right. I think that's. And I'm being annoying with the indentation. And then print greeting. Do you need a semicolon when you call it like that? Or
No, the
Nope.
semicolon is for comments.
Yeah, you don't need any.
That's comments.
And then you'd have to
just-
write like main. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Save that. And how do you do? Is it GIS or GSI?
I don't-
GSI.
I'm
Good.
pretty sure it's. Yeah,
I
GSI.
think
Yeah,
GSI.
yeah, he got it.
Did you have to call main? Read the yeah. Okay. Well, I think that's question one. That looks good to me.
Yep.
And or we can grab them all at the end, I guess. Or it's easier actually now if we just do it.
I can
And
hear it from
train.
here too.
I'm
I'm on
gonna
like
go
the 6th floor and it's blasting.
Where you at?
The Hudson, right behind Northgate.
Gotcha. Okay, so let me put this file in document. Okay, and then we need to put a screenshot of it,
Just-
right?
Mhm. Oh wait, you can do that? You can paste the whole file? No way.
Can you just like drop it in like a Google folder or something?
Yeah, I can. One sec. Yeah, I can. Sure. Okay.
All right, thanks.
Yeah. And I can put the picture in there too.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Can you share with me as well?
I put the link in the chat.
It's yeah.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
And let me put the picture in there too, I guess, just for. I think only one person might have to submit the quiz, but it definitely doesn't hurt to do it. Okay, that one looks good. Do we want to go like 2, 2, and 2 or switch off? I'm good with whatever. I can just do this
Yeah.
one because I'm here. Okay, so scheme file 2. Okay, and then this can be. Okay, create a single parameter method that displays any value you pass in, and you can use a main to start it. Then your code treat the parentheses as brackets. Okay, displays is
So it just wants 2 different data types to be displayed.
yeah, it looks like it.
Okay.
How do you kill the line? I like that. Okay.
Yeah. I didn't know people were actually out here using Putty.
Versus what?
Just a Visual Studio. I use Visual Studio for everything.
I had it set up with my laptop where it was a lot nicer, where I could just SSH in like with a terminal. Yeah, I'm rocking the Emacs. Makes me feel old school.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know. I'm just so used to Visual Studio that I just don't use anything else.
Yeah, it just looks and is nicer and like behaves better. Simple parameter. Okay, we can call it like X or something. And then it just has to display that, right?
Yeah, just display X. Yeah, and then I forget the specific method to grab a user text, but I have it actually right here. Crap.
Input.
It's like, oh, you got to read.
Read.
Yeah, it's just read. So you just have a variable called read,
Yeah.
and it'll just pull out whatever you put in.
See if
Yeah.
that. I wonder. It's not really 2 data types. If we. Or well, there's a. I'll just run it. The unbound variable simple parameter.
Put parentheses around the things that are in not that one. It's down in main. You didn't put parentheses around read, I think, is what it's complaining about.
Interesting. Oh, because
Also,
it's
you
a
have to-
right. What are you saying? Sorry.
you have to delete one of the mains. Oh wait. Okay, never mind. You're making 2 calls.
Maybe we can just do like 2 manual calls with a inbound variable simple parameter. Did I spell it wrong? Yeah, I did. Parameter. Okay. Nice. Well, it works. Maybe we'll just say
You can-
like.
you can make it
hello.
Print
Sorry,
like
yeah.
a line or something after, make it look nicer, or I don't know, whatever you guys want.
I'll just do it this way, and then it's a little. I guess it doesn't have to be. There it is. That. So then I call it twice now.
Oh wow, there's way more questions on this. I didn't expect that.
Okay, there we go. We printed hello and we printed 5. I think that's good.
Oops. Score.
This one. Gonna rename these. Okay, I got those in there. How do I get rid of this thing in the? Okay, question 2. Okay. 15%, that returns 15% of the total. I don't mind typing this one either. It's just pretty straightforward. What is thumbs.db?
I mean, I could do it. I have everything open.
Yeah, go for it, just so we all get credit and stuff. I'll stop screen sharing. Yeah, and it's still
Sure.
recording. Okay.
There. You disabled screen sharing.
Sweet. How do I?
I have no clue, dude. It's got to be in the settings somewhere.
Think security. Oh, screen share. Okay, it should be good.
Um, what was it supposed to be called? Scheme flipped for.scm.
Guess we skipped 3. Oh no, 3 is question 4.
Where's 3 then?
3 is question 4. Or at least for me it is. Maybe it's different for
Oh, I get it now. Yeah. Okay. Damn, I guess this is kind of hard because you have all the setup stuff.
just grab it from the Google folder one.
I gotta open that, yeah. I don't know how opening that file works. Maybe I can just grab it. Okay. Does it not have it here?
Maybe I can just paste it in the chat too.
I got it. I got it. Should I just name it Scheme Flip 3?
I think. Which one are you doing? What does it say?
I'm doing a third problem, but it says write it Scheme Flip 4.
Do it 4, because if you scroll down, it says create a file scheme flip 3. It probably
it's
just
probably
shuffles the questions or
I don't know.
I just do 3 for 3. I think is a type.
What happened to the other names?
This is a typo.
Did you put the other names in?
no, we never had the or I never put the emails in. Let me do that real quick on the other ones.
Okay.
You edit a scheme file from. I'll just do that in that thing real quick. Re-upload them.
Function.
Could you also throw question 2 in there real quick? The shared drive, I mean.
It's in there on my screen.
Oh, it is? Okay, thank you. I didn't know yet. Scheme Flip 4. 15%.
Oh, I need to change the date on those. Oh wait, no, that's the right date. This one seems pretty easy. Just multiply it.
Okay. This takes like a float. Leave it. I'm just trying to figure out the graphics of it. All right.
Those files should be the good ones that I've just put in the Google Drive now. %. Let's call it twice.
Mhm.
I don't think you need the argue or the parentheses. Oh, okay, yeah, that's good.
Wait, are you supposed to read or do we just pass in values?
We can pass in values easier if it's read, I think. Just choose random numbers. Is that what it is? I forget. That's not backslash.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
One.
It just needs to You might need the dot SCM. Oh yeah, we also didn't call it. That'll get you.
Okay, it works.
Okay. Sweet.
Oh. Fuck.
The next one is create a function that called type ID, which only accepts one value inside it. And it needs to ID the basic type passed in. It says we can use the HTML manual. Diverse manual, I think.
Trying to see where I put the lab. How the fuck did it go there? Okay.
We're using Gambit, right?
Or it's a scheme. I don't know if it's Gambit. I don't even know what Gambit is. I assume it's like an interpreter or something.
Yeah, I think the GSI is the Gambit like version.
This Gambit scheme, yeah.
It's to ID the basic type. Okay.
Kidding me, dude?
Characters and strings, numbers.
I don't have permission to put stuff in the lab thing.
Give- Click. Air. Okay, you should be able to now. $135 matches.
Okay. They're both in there now. I guess that makes it somewhat easier. Flip 3.
Yeah. Accepts one value and then it identifies the basic type passed in. HTML manual to help. I'm looking through it now to find out.
The function is type of,
Type of.
so it should be something like this.
Where'd you find that, or how'd you find that?
Online. Or is it get type? Or maybe it's class. Hold on. Class. Hmm.
Is it that method where you just identify the type it is?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I read it in the manual. It's like you like name the type, and then you have a question mark after it, and then you have the variable. And we can just use an if statement to check which type, I guess, because it returns a Boolean for each one of those.
ID the basic type fast. Does
It's
it
like
should work with all basic types. So that'd be a lot of ifs. Gotta
it just
be.
Yeah, we
says
could do it.
it just says those three. It says we need for certain the integer, Boolean, and float.
So we could do like int then question mark, right?
Yeah, that's I
Mhm.
think how it works. I need to make sure that's
In the thing it says the function should work with all basic types, but we want to see 3 calls using those. I think it'd have to work like for like binary or string or whatever, but which I think there's probably a function that like just tells you what type it is, or why I would think there'd be one. Some of the other ones have better. Semantic, syntax, identifiers, variables, syntax. Oh, maybe we do have to use them all. I see the list of them though. Or well, Boolean symbol, car, vector, procedure, pair, number, string, port.
which notes is it in?
Um,
Is it in?
it's on the R5 RS page 6. It's on like the predicates thing. There's probably like a function that just tells you what type it is though.
Yeah, but I would assume he wants us to do the if statement since we just learned that.
Yeah, maybe it's
Well, I mean, not just learn, but like he just went over it in the notes.
yeah.
Yeah, I found it. Okay. So we like the syntax.
If I bet if you do that conditional one, it might look a little bit better. Where you can
Yeah, I
like
know
stack them up.
the cond statement. I'll look for the some
I think. Oh, I see. We have to like return the. If you have to do that weird string thing.
Mhm.
The other data types they wanted, float.
Floats.
Probably do char as well or string or something.
It says it should work with all basic types. I think is what those not procedure, the I think
Should probably put char before string. Okay, anything else?
the yeah, I don't know if you'd want us to do all those like procedure vector port stuffs, but
Mm,
All right, let's see if it works. Is this one 3? Nope.
I don't think int is one. I think it's number.
Number.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So int. Okay, it cast that as int too. So I'd probably have to put float before int. Oh crap.
Yeah, maybe float's not a function.
Okay.
Boolean pair.
Is it like
symbol number? I put it in that chat.
double?
There's not one for that. It's just number, I think.
Then how do we know if it's a float?
Number real?
Real, did you say? Maybe
Yeah,
that's
maybe real.
That might be good. Okay. Okay, it still gets int for 1.5, so I'm guessing
maybe I think read only reads.
I might have to do a
Maybe just manually call it.
nested or
Don't read
something.
it. Just don't read it. Just pass in value directly.
Yeah, I think read. You have to do like read string or something if you want other types. That's probably
Let's see.
easier to just. Parentheses, I think.
Yeah.
Where did I put that then?
It's where
Remove
you're
the
calling it,
read.
because that's not a like procedure to evaluate. It's an argument. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, then it's a string.
See if it.
I think it takes.
Do hashtag T.
I don't think that'll run also.
Yeah, remove the parentheses. And the last one, do hashtag T. Mhm. All right, nice. Works.
Okay, Boolean works.
Do you want okay, yeah, that's enough.
I
It
mean, we
says
need to identify floats. So I was thinking we could just do like a nested if statement inside, inside maybe,
does it say it's
number.
in, what if you sure.
Cause I'm pretty sure, ints will classify as real as well.
No, real is for floats and doubles, I think. Is it? Hold on. Yeah, it's classified as real as well.
Okay. How do we identify them then?
Put number first and real second, because you want the int to print out first. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm.
That one didn't.
I think there might be a float one as well. I might have been
There
wrong
is?
when I said that.
It is float. We need to make sure it catches
Or-
floats.
I think there's a float predicate with the question mark thing.
I
Really?
tried that, I thought earlier.
I don't think there is. It's only real.
Maybe I'm on the wrong. Oh, I'm on the racket documentation.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Oops.
yeah. Try that now. I think that should work. Int.
What was the number? What was the integer one? Was it number?
There's number.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then what was it for floats?
Real.
I mean, real didn't work. Like it classifies them as the same. It doesn't differentiate. Like integers will classify as real and so will floats.
Interesting.
Ambit scheme reference. It did kit. Why did it not come up? Documentation is rough. First. Mentions to numeric procedure. Xnum.
I think it's int exact. Try that.
Int exact.
It's int exact for floating points and exact for int. No, not int inexact. Like inexact. Like that.
In exact.
Without
Okay, like-
any dash. Yeah. No, remove
Does
the
it-
T. It's inexact, yeah.
Oh, so if it's
Okay.
exact, is
It's
that a float?
inexact for floating and exact for integers, I think.
It didn't pass with this. So maybe we put these after these. String float Boolean. Okay, it still identifies 2 as a float. So what was the one for real?
For real, it's inexact, and for int, it's exact only. So fix the int one was int. Put
So is
exact
it
only. Exact,
oh, this is
yeah.
just exact?
Mhm.
Okay, and then inexact is float.
Yes.
Okay,
Does it
let's
work?
see. Okay, yeah,
There
that
we go.
works. And then we'll have to test integer Boolean and then float. 1, 2. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Should I do question 5 and 6?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
I guess I'll share my screen.
Too bad.
Can you quit the screen sharing? Then,
Yeah. I'm trying to put the,
alright, nice. Okay, share. Hmm. So, question 5. Okay.
That is true if that's 0
Hmm.
or 0 or higher.
Check. Positive. Con.
One would be like greater than equal to 0.
Would be something like this. Greater or equal to?
Yeah. X and 0.
The return true.
You need to compare X and 0 with the greater than equal to, I think.
0. True. False. False. Is that
Maybe
evaluate-
it's better just to use the regular if for this one.
Wait, what do you mean?
If you just type like use a normal if statement instead of the cond, you
Oh, okay.
can just say I think if, and then the parentheses for the greater than equal to x 0.
I mean, they're
Hashtag false. Yeah. I think that looks a little.
Does that work?
Yeah, it does. Maybe
Okay. Separate cause. So maybe one. Oh. Display.
prove arguments for closure. Oh yeah, yeah, I see.
Nice.
This false true, which is right, but then it wrong number of arguments for closure. Maybe that's something with the IDE.
Yeah, this is online ID. It always has this error.
Oh,
This
okay,
line.
okay.
6. I guess. Oh. New.
I guess just try running it in Putty. Also, the emails.
I type them wrong.
Yeah, before you upload it, make sure you add in the other emails. They're in the chat.
I the header has the correct ones from the Google Drive if you just want to.
They do this Control Z. Wait, what? So GSI.
And then you just do the file name if you're in the right folder.
False
Is
and
that right?
true. Yep.
True.
Pretty neat.
Mm. Okay, number 6. Click the scheme. Oh wait, this is 2014. Okay, so create design.
Just like A, B, C, D, maybe. I
Okay.
think he had this as an example in some of the notes or something. I think this is where const would be good.
The function.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay. on. So is it all the way to F, A to F?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Overall concept of a letter grid.
Is F anything under 60 or
Or let's check the
Uh,
syllabus.
Yeah, true. We could be on there.
Okay, so A, B, C, D, F. Okay.
okay, yeah.
Um, 6. Number. Six con. Oh wait, where's the code? Oh, come on.
Autocorrect.
Apple. Correcting the terminal is crazy.
Yeah, why would you even do that?
This is a text file editor, that's why.
Oh,
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. I see.
Let's do online. Letter grade. Right.
I can check. I have it. Yeah, that's right. So we should probably check if it's less than first.
Equal. Less than first?
just do greater than, or you could just do greater than equal to 90.
Yeah, that works
First.
too.
Either one. You just have to make sure it doesn't catch the previous or the ones that come after it before it should.
Wait, is there greater equal to in scheme?
Yeah, pretty sure. I think you had it on your thing. Scroll down just a little.
Greater equal. Yeah, I see it right now.
It's either one.
So if it's greater equal to
90.
Yeah, 91st, if you do it that way. And then yeah, just go down from there.
okay, so it's greater than equal to this. Greater equal to 80. 760.
Yeah, just copy paste.
6. 70.
And then false would be false, or F, I mean, yeah.
Okay.
I think you can just put a space and then the
This then could be like A.
yeah, that looks right.
Yeah.
I guess just else F.
Yeah.
So how many calls are we supposed to make? 2 calls, okay. So let's say 100. 39.
Sure.
A and B. Nice.
Wrong number. Oh, okay, yeah, that's right. I was looking at the error again.
A, nice. C, D. Yeah, nice. I'll run it on Scheme. Hold on. Nice. Nice. Yep. So this. Mm,
I'm gonna download these guys for 5 and all the files in the drive are good, right?
Yeah,
You might want to rename the images. Hold on. Mm, 5, 6. Okay, yeah, should be good now.
They're okay.
Two, three.
okay.
Okay, I guess that's good for the recording, right? We just submit everything and
Yeah, it's good.
operate.